Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another wig review and it's going to be on Kamalia, which is the hot one right now. Everybody is snatching them up. I was glad to get a hold of it. But anyways, this is by the Melted Hairline series from Outre. And I'm going to review the Strawberry Gold. So let's check her out. Go ahead and put on my stocking cap. I'm also put on this wig grip. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the wig here so we can take a look at it. Wow, look at this color. Okay, strawberry gold. I wasn't expecting it to be this long. This is nice. Okay, so we're gonna have to try this color out. This is what the card is looking like. This is the inside with the different colors they have. Isn't it pretty? And this is the back with the different colors they have as well. And the side and the back. Okay, the card here mentions that that has soft HD transparent lace, 5-inch deep parting, completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, pre-attached wide elastic band, natural baby hairs, redesigned comfort fit ear contour. Just like it said, it has a strap here, 2 combs in the front. Oh, you can see that right there. 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps on each side. Oof. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm already impressed with the color. Already. Ooh. Look at this. Yes. Ooh, I cannot wait to put this together. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut that lace off. All right, I'm going with my blasting freeze spray from Got to Be Glued. And just at the hairline. I'm gonna just spray it and spread it a little bit. Go ahead and cut this lace off. Go ahead and put concealer in the parting. Go ahead and comb it out a little bit. So far, this is looking really good. I really like this one a lot. So this is what the card looks like. This is what it's looking like on me. All right, Kamalia, this is cute. Oh, let's look at the back. I don't think she shed a lot. Let's see. Not a lot, maybe 1 or 2 hairs, but that's not bad. I went ahead and added a little bit more baby hairs to it. Yeah, so about this color again. So I was supposed to get, I forgot what it was, and this wig was flying like hotcakes, right? So I had this wig in a different color in my cart. So when I was going to purchase it, it told me it was sold out. Sorry, this color is gone. So I ended up with this color, the strawberry gold, and I was not sure if I would like it, but I like the strawberry gold. It's my first time trying it. I was glad I was able to get my hands on this wig because I knew soon as it was gonna be out there to purchase, I knew a lot of people was gonna snatch this wig up. But I really like this one. It's soft and yeah, go buy her. It's pretty. Yeah. Alright y'all, this is it for this video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this wig. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can see my next upcoming videos.